we are given like this, include in VAT. So children, previous question we were given separately purchasers answer and the sales answer, and we had to calculate 10% VAT. But most of the time they give questions like this. Look at this question, children. This is question number 2. Sales and the purchases given include in 12% VAT. If you check additional information, 12% VAT is included in the above values. So in these values, 12% VAT is included. So I have seen children do mistakes in this area again and again. Even if we tell them several times, they do same mistake. You know, children, what is this mistake? Even you may have done this mistake. When you see 12% without reading anything properly, you calculate 812 into 12%. Then again here 582,400 into 12% they calculate. So if you do like this calculation, definitely you are getting a wrong answer. The reason is here it says included in the above values. So VAT is already included in that amounts. Then you should know how to take off, how to remove that included VAT. The reason is, children, you can't write VAT amounts in your sales account and purchasers accounts, because VAT is not an your income or expense. You are a VAT registered organization. So this question says this is a VAT registered organization. So if this is a VAT registered organization, you are not allowed to enter VAT amounts in your sales account and the purchasers account. You should write your actual sales answer and again actual purchasers value, not the VAT amount. VAT amount should be in VAT control account. So that's the rule. Then let's calculate here VAT on sales and again VAT on purchases. VAT on sales 840,000 into, now children, this is how you should write, 12, not 12%, divide by 112. You should write like this, 840 include in 12% VAT, right? 840 include in 12% VAT. Therefore, this is how you should write, 840 into 12 divided by 112. If this is 10% VAT, then 840 into 10 over 110. If this is VAT percent, if VAT percentage is 20%, then how do we write, children? Then 840 into 20 over 120. If your VAT percentage is 30%, then how do we write? 840 into 30 over 130. Like that, you need to check in your question whether that given amount included VAT or without VAT. If it is including VAT, this is how you should write to calculate your VAT amount. Then 840,000 into 12 divided by 112. 840, children, take your calculator and you also should calculate with me. Then we are getting 90 as VAT. I'll write here itself. 90,000. So 90,000 is VAT on sales answer, right? 840 is the total amount. Then if we calculate your actual sales income, then children, your sales income is 840,000 minus 90,000. 840,000 minus 90,000. We are getting 750,000. So 750,000 is the actual sales income and 90,000 is VAT. In our previous question, we were given like this sales amount. Based on that, we calculated 10%. But this question, we were given total amount. Including VAT, total amount was given, then that is 840. In that 840, 12% VAT is included, you should do your calculation like this to identify the VAT amount which is included in that sales. Hope this is clear, children. Now, can you tell me where do we write this 90,000? Where do we write this 90,000? This is VAT on sales. So, sales is 750. Sales amount goes to sales account credit, and this 90,000 VAT goes to VAT control account credit side. Sales account credit 750, 90 you should credit VAT control account. Let's prepare. Sales account, we'll assume this one also on credit, debtors 750. Your actual sales income is only 750. And again VAT control, you should write 90. Here also debtors. Then if we prepare debtors account, 750s are sales, and again VAT is 90. This is how you should write. You should collect 750 as your sales income and again 90 as your VAT. So, this 750 goes to your sales, and again P&L also your income is 750, and again VAT amount is 90. So, VAT 90 goes to VAT control account. Okay. The 750 goes to sales account, and finally P&L, because your actual income is only 750, and the 90 goes to VAT control account. So, you should credit VAT control account. Now, let's check how to write like this VAT on purchases also. Then, let's go back to our question. Purchases also given 584,400. So, this amount also like previous question, VAT on purchases. So, here included like this question also like previous question, 12% VAT is included. Right, this question also 12% VAT is included. Then we should separately take out VAT amount which was included in this purchaser's answer. Let's go to our calculation. 582,400 VAT on purchases. VAT on purchases 582,400 into 12% over 112. 582,400. This is our purchaser's answer. Since here 12% VAT is included, into 12 divided by 112. Right? This is how you should write. If you write based on this 12%, that's totally wrong. That's the major mistake always children do when they see the amount and the percentage without reading, without understanding, directly they calculate that percentage. Don't do like that, children. Now you know if it's VAT included amount, you can't write like that 12%, 12 over 112. Then let's calculate and see what is the VAT included amount here. 582,400 into 12 over 112. Then we are getting 62,400. Then we are getting 62,400. 62,400. So then this is the VAT on purchaser's answer. So your VAT on purchaser's answer is 62,400. Then this 62,400 goes to VAT purchase account, children. No, this amount goes to VAT control account. Purchase amount you should write in purchase account and VAT amount you should write in VAT control account. Then let's write like this. Let's calculate purchase answer also. So, according to here, our purchases answer 582,400 minus 62,400. 62,400. Then you can calculate your actual purchaser's answer. 582,400 minus 62,400. So we are getting 520. 520,000 is your actual purchaser's answer. If you want to double check, you can calculate this one into 12%. You should get 62,400. If you get the original amount into 12%, then you are not getting that same answer. Then let's write this amount also in purchaser's account and again say VAT control account. First let's record this amount in VAT control, 62,400. 62,000 like this. This is VAT on credit purchases. We'll assume like that. Now children, we are given in this question, did you see VAT paid during the year 12,400. So VAT paid amount also given 12,400. If it is any kind of payment, right, if it is any kind of payment, you should credit your cash. If it's a payment, cash credit, so then VAT control debit, VAT paid amount, cash. The cash paid amount, cash credit, and again VAT control debit. We have paid 12,400. So we can write like this, 12,400 the paid amount. Now we can calculate the closing balance. We can calculate the closing balance. Credit side is higher, 90. You write here also 90. Then we are getting balance carried down here. 90 minus 62.4 and 12.4, which is 15.2. Now this time we have credit balance. This time we have credit balance. So therefore this is a current liability. This is a current liability. This VAT payable amount, current liability, you can write this as VAT payable. So then as I explained, VAT amount, right, as I explained, VAT amount you can't write in sales account or the purchase account. It should be in VAT control account.